Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on increasing the contrast on the Apple Watch Series 10. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Increasing the contrast will increase the app contrast between the app foreground and background colors, making the screen easier to see. Press the digital crown to open the app menu. Tap the settings cog to open settings. Scroll down settings and select accessibility. Scroll down the accessibility settings and tap the toggle to the right of increased contrast. When the toggle is green, the contrast is increased. When grey, the setting is switched off. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Apple Watch tips and tricks.